Di ba?
Kasi magkakasunod po ito po sa mga inisyon namin na legal personality.
Attorney Luto, typo na yung affidavit mo? Typo pa yung subpoena?
Hindi po.
What are you looking at? The subpoena or the affidavit?
Dalawa yan eh.
What are you looking at, Attorney Luto?
Subpoena, Your Honor.
So the subpoena is dated November 6.
Okay? And the affidavit also is November 6. Dalawang typo, carried over.
Hindi ko nakita mo yung affidavit na
Your
Ikaw
affidavit
ang
says
pumirma eh. Yung affidavit of investigation mo na binigay, pati yung amended, carried over din. Yung first draft, na re-reject ng DOJ, yung ikalawa, parehong November 6. Pirmado ninyo eh.
Page 6, counsel, paragraph 14 of his affidavit of investigation.
November 6, 2024 ang nakasunod siya.
So typo din yan? Is it your testimony or typo din yan?
I believe so, Your Honor. Kasi ang objection namin dyan is in 11 December.
Anyway, Judge Marcos, the document, let the document speak for itself. That will be the best evidence of it, if at all of the dates of either the subpoena and or the affidavit.
Yes, presiding officer, just to provide our witness pass to correct themselves or to so palagay mo, ano yung tamang date kung mali yung November 6?
Same po yung honor doon sa mga subpoena na issue namin sa media personality.
Dapat magkakapareho.
Yes, magkakasunod po yun.
Okay, sige. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, presiding officer. Damang salamat.
Salamat po, ma'am.
Thank you, Senator Judge Marcos. Senator Bamakino, and then we proceed to cross.
Your Honor.
Yes, Attorney Madlon.
Your Honor, regarding that matter, Your Honor, may we just manifest, Your Honor, for the record that not only in paragraph 14, page 6, does the November 6, 2024 date appear, it also appears on the footnote. Footnote 12, November 6, 2024. So, I don't think, we just want to read for the record, footnote 12, subpoena to Francis Toral, head, ABS-C venues dated 06 November 2024. In addition to that, if you look at the subpoena, and paragraph 14 also is on 06 November 2024, the subpoena was issued to ABS-C venues. Now, it is actually, it states that a copy of the video pertaining to the 18 October 24 press conference. And when you look at the subpoena itself, can you just ask for time? The subpoena, if you look at the subpoena, there's an attachment in the